Kids have the opportunity to listen to presenters cover topics like animal safety, crop erosion, and forestry. Here is some sassafras, which the kids say smells like Fruit Loops, and here's a sassafras root, which smells just like root beer. They also had the opportunity to listen to many other topics.
The purpose of Ag Day is just to let the elementary children know kind of what agriculture is and how it is important to our lives. And here we have 12 different stations, and each station represents a different aspect of their life that they may not realize goes on, but we try to kind of familiarize them to how important it is. I mean, as far as farming goes, or we have an erosion station, electricity. We teach them about animals and just kind of everything that goes on in everyday life that they might not know about, but contributes to them living also.
Presenters came from different parts of the community to host the stations that made up Ag Day. Representatives were present from River Valley Ag Credit, Kentucky Division of Forestry, the Calloway County High School FFA, and many more.
Ag Day to the community, once again, we're really just trying to teach the kids to pay attention and be safe, and I think our community probably from an early age, that's very important. We live in a rural community, and knowing safety precautions around equipment and RTVs, ATVs, being in the woods is just really important for the kids to know even at an early age.
Students rotated through the stations where the presenters had hands-on activities and visuals to help them understand the specific topics. Many of the topics covered are important for students to learn because they sometimes appear in the school curriculum. The kids received a scavenger hunt card to keep track of all the information they received.
My scavenger card is about it has questions on it, and then on the back we have to write down the answers. And it's kind of like every station you go to, you have to fill it out. And it's kind of easy to complete, but at the end you can ask the questions and they'll give you the answer.
The kids spent all day learning and listening, but took frequent breaks where the conservation office provided snacks like popcorn and water. The breaks helped keep the kids focused in their sessions and ready to learn.
The electricity one is my favorite because they show stuff and tell you what not to do when electricity wires fall down.
I like the leaf thing because it tells all about the leaves and the trees, and then there's this tree and the root smells like root beer, and then the stem smells like lemons.
The Conservation Office will use the Expo Center again to host a safety presentation in November. For Roundabout U, I'm Ariel Watson.